From the park that already had a roller coaster parodied by another YouTube channel comes Lightning Run. You've been to the random amusement park located in Kentucky that you probably wouldn't have gone to if it weren't for Storm Chaser. My biggest problem with this ride will be discussed right now. It's not even the fact that it's so small, but so amazing. It's because they named it Lightning Run, even though it's nowhere near as fast as lightning, and I don't see any legs on the train, so yeah. And I've even heard some GPs say that it's as fast as lightning. And when I asked if they were joking, they said no. So yeah, this name has gotten me frustrated. So let's get to the parody scene. Alright guys, so we all know that Kentucky Kingdom is building a new ride, and we need a name for the new ride. So the ride will be named after whichever one of you runs the fastest. Alright, first off we got Slowpoke the Walker. Are you ready, Slowpoke? Yeah, I am ready for this. Okay, on your mark, get set, go! Okay, next up, we've got Lightning Run. Alright, go ahead and go, Lightning Run. Okay, I'm ready. Man, that was hard. And Lightning Run is our winner! What? I was way faster. Yeah, that might be true, but Lightning Run's name sounds cooler, so we're going to go with Lightning Run. You've been to Kings Island and Holiday World. Now travel about 2 more hours to get to Kentucky Kingdom, because, you know, they have Storm Chaser, but that's not the first ride you ride. Lightning Run will most likely be the first ride that you ride. And they almost always run only one train, so that queue line is definitely not running at the speed of light. And that line can get pretty long too. Best to avoid riding at opening time. Walk through the entrance or don't, because it's the beginning of 2022 and the ride's going to be down for the next few weeks. Lightning Run is sadly closed. It's because of some issues with the lift hill. As you can see, well, you might be able to see, let's see if I can focus. There's like this, like wire right there. But yeah, it's closed. Anyways, assuming it's before or after those few weeks, walk through the entrance, and depending on the time of day, you may or may not have to wait in line. Listen, the ride is either a station wait or is spilling out onto the midway. There isn't really an in-between. Walk into the station and notice that the trains have nothing to do with lightning. Anyways, board your vehicle in the back row and begin up your super slow lift hill. But wait, because the lift will randomly speed up in the middle of it. Crest over your 100-foot tall drop and turn left by a bit. Go over a large airtime hill that surprisingly sends you flying, even though it's almost as tall as the lift hill. Ride into an overbanked turn that really does nothing for the ride except make the GP think that the ride goes upside down. Turn a bit right and then go over another airtime hill and go left into a wave turn. Oh, and guys, I did just say wave turn. And this was even before our Intamin and RMC were doing wave turns. People say that RMC started the wave turn, but it's really this tiny manufacturer called Chance Rides. Does anybody know why? Anyways, go some more left and over an airtime hill. Do a 90-degree right turn and over a sharp airtime hill. Right here, you will go through a few S-bends that really give some forces. Actually, they really don't, but no one cares. Because right after that, you will go over 3 super sharp ejector hills. And depending on whether the metal of the seatbelt is on your lap, you may or may not hurt that part of your body. But right after those hills, glide into the brake run. And then realize that you'll have a headache from the roughness. Yes, this ride is a little rough, so you will want to brace yourself. Gliding ride. Ride it now at Kentucky Kingdom. Nope, wait. That's not a super good name. Let's see. Actually, that's the best I could come up with. Okay. Marley.